Hi everyone. Today, per request, I am making embracing pizza. That a lot of people ask for the pizza recipe, so I thought, okay, let's do it. And the fun part is I'm going to be using the yummy marinara sauce that I had in my last video. So, come on, let's try it out.
First, you're going to preheat your oven to 425 degrees. You're going to use what is called fathead dough. I will have the recipe in the next video. You put your dough on the parchment paper on a pizza stone, a thin pan, and use another sheet of parchment paper on the top so the dough won't stick. Now, roll out your pizza as thick or as thin as you would like. I prefer thin crust. Place the pizza in the oven and you'll cook for about 8 minutes. Then you'll take it out, flip it over on the other side, and cook it for another 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. When your pizza is ready, you're going to add your yummy marinara sauce. I used about 4 tablespoons on mine. I don't like a lot of sauce on my pizza, but you can use as much or as little as you like. You can use any toppings you prefer. I decided to make a pepperoni pizza, but you can use sausage, you can use vegetables, you can use onions, you can put anything that you like. Just make sure that before you cook your pizza, your meats or anything that needs cooking, cook them first because you're basically going to be warming this back up enough to melt the cheese. Now, time for the pepperoni. I put approximately 25 slices on mine, and then I covered it with the yummy mozzarella cheese. You could put more or less to your liking. Then place it back in the oven and cook until the cheese is melted. Remember, your crust is already cooked. So, enjoy!
Hi guys, we're back, and now here's the pizza. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. You're going to love it too. So if you tried it and you like it, let me know. Give me some comments down below. If you like the recipe, hit like, hit subscribe to get more, and I'll see you in the next video.